Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you the procedure on how can you get WhatsApp dark mode in iPhone. To get WhatsApp dark mode in your iPhone, you could follow these steps. First of all, what you want to do is make sure that your device is compatible. And here, what you have to do is you want to go to settings. As you open up your settings, then you will be taken to this sort of field. And here, what you need to do is go to display and adaptive brightness. Once you go to this section, you'll then be able to see this button where you could actually go and click on dark mode, and you could also toggle the button for automatic. Once you actually do it for automatic, then it's gonna be dark. You have successfully enabled dark mode, and now when you open up your WhatsApp, you'll be able to see a dark theme. If you want to toggle the button off, that means if you want to turn it, or if you want to switch over to light theme, you want to come back to the same page, which is display and brightness from the settings, and toggle the button for this or select light, and that is how it's done. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.